Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a high puff on short fussy natural hair with no extension. Keep watching. As you can see, my hair is braided. I braided it last night to straighten it because it's kind of shrinky. So let me start by undoing the knots. I'm finally done undoing my hair, and as you can see guys, the hair appears more way longer. Since my hair is dry, I start by spraying some water to make it moist for easy combing and also make it easy when applying the hairstyle gel. I comb out my hair using an afro comb to straighten it up. I'll be using an olive oil hairstyle gel. I go ahead and apply the eco gel around my head going upwards, making sure I gel every edge and corner. And please don't make sure you don't apply the gel on the upper hair because it's the one which will be making the puff. After making sure you've applied the gel well around your head, use a bristle brush to slick down your hair, the parts you've applied the gel. Unfortunately, I have no brush, so I'll be using this purple comb. Comb around the places you've applied the eco gel. I just love using the shoelace. I use it to wrap around the perimeter of my head, but you can also use a long elastic band or a thread, but I prefer you use the shoelace. Slowly pull the shoelace upwards and start at the back. Make sure you don't push it so high so it don't come off. Then tie the shoelace and make sure it doesn't show. I then proceed to lay my edges, and guys, I just love doing my baby hairs. Who else does? I'll be using the same Eco Styler gel and a toothbrush and also a small tail comb. After I'm done doing my edges, I use a scarf and wrap it around my head for the gel to dry. I leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and as I wait the time to elapse, I do my makeup. Go ahead and comb the puff upwards to make it appear full using an afro comb. So guys, as you can see, I'm done doing my makeup. It's time to unwrap the scarf. Let's see the results. Ish, I just love the style. So easy. Thank you so much for watching till this far, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment on how you think about the hairstyle. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.